All right, so we're back and ready to dive into something that y'all have been asking about for a while now, the ASAP Rocky trial.
Oh, yeah, this one had a lot of people talking.
It really did. And, there were so many headlines flying around, but we want to, go deeper than that.
Right, get into, the real story behind it all.
Exactly. What does this whole thing mean for ASAP Rocky moving forward? We dug into some sources, articles, interviews, you name it.
Lots to unpack.
Yeah, we've got stuff on. Well, Rihanna was there the whole time, which is interesting.
Oh, yeah, her presence was definitely a big talking point.
And then, what's going to happen with the ASAP mob. And we even saw some stuff about AWGE, which, that's like this whole other mystery.
That's ASAP Rocky's brand, super secretive, always has been.
So, yeah, a lot to cover today.
It's interesting, because when you look at it, this wasn't just some legal thing. It gets into, the whole world of fame and how that impacts creative relationships.
Yeah, especially in, the hip-hop scene. Okay, so let's start with Rihanna. I mean, everyone saw the pictures, right? She was there, every single day of the trial.
Didn't miss a beat.
Yeah, and even brought their 2 kids to court one day.
Yeah, and I read that they were dressed in, little tiny suits.
I saw that, too. Adorable.
But it makes you think, right? Rihanna, she's always been this, strong, independent woman.
Yeah, for sure.
And here she is, standing by her man, even when, the prosecution is painting a pretty rough picture of him.
Yeah.
It's a statement, it's like she's saying, I trust him no matter what anyone else says.
It's a power move, for sure.
Absolutely. It's about loyalty, about presenting a united front.
And when that not guilty verdict came in, that wasn't just for the cameras.
Nah, you could see it in their faces.
The relief, that hug, him jumping over the barrier, that was raw emotion.
The courtroom went wild. People were cheering, crying, the whole thing.
Yeah, and I saw that Rihanna posted on social media afterwards, thanking God, and
Yeah, she's a very spiritual person.
It's clear that this wasn't just a legal win. It was this huge weight lifted off their shoulder.
Totally. It's like they're stronger than ever now.
Okay, so we've got Rihanna, the supportive partner.
Right, always there.
But this whole trial also, really brought the ASAP mob into the spotlight.
Yeah, their whole dynamic got put under a microscope.
For those who don't know, ASAP mob is the collective that ASAP Rocky kind of came up with. And, they took their name from the acronym Always Strive and Prosper.
Which, yeah, sounds super positive, right?
Yeah, brotherhood, supporting each other.
But our sources, they hint that things might not be so picture perfect behind the scene.
Right, because think about it. You have this group of friends, all talented.
Yeah, all wanting to make it.
And then one of them, ASAP Rocky, just blows up.
Becomes a global superstar.
Exactly. So there's got to be some, maybe some jealousy in there, some competition.
It happens all the time.
And then you have ASAP Relli.
Right, the one who actually accused ASAP Rocky.
Yeah, which is wild because, they've been friends forever. They're both in the mob.
So to have that happen, it's got to feel like a betrayal.